Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Versa SV. This has a backup camera, heated seats, and is good on fuel efficiency. Now let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior of the Nissan Versa, this does have a touchscreen display with XM radio, Bluetooth, and when you put into reverse, it also does have the backup camera. It also does have the heated seats. All in all, this car is a very good car, especially if you want to go for gas savings. The fuel efficiency on this thing is really good. Start your gas savings today and drive off in this Nissan Versa. You can call us at 204-667-9200 or come see us at 950 Regent Avenue West. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.